Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. Today we got the Matchbox Jaguar MK10 number 28. And yeah, it's not in a bad condition, but it's got something there that I don't know what it is. I know now what it is, but I thought it was chocolate cake. But no, it's corrosion and it goes through the body completely. So I decided to copper plate it, see if that disappear. Plus I tried to get the paint color, but couldn't do it. So I thought copper plating will be a good match for that color. Just drilling the rivets now, as usual with a huge drill. Gonna have to have words with my friend. It comes off really easy. It just pop out. Very good wheels too. Was a good runner. Hope it runs again. Suspension is alright. And I haven't cracked it yet. So it's all good. The seats just needs cleaning. I hate that hook. But I'm gonna leave it there because it's part of restoration. Otherwise I would have chopped it off already. Now I'm taking the window off. See if I manage and I don't crack it. Now I'm gonna strip the paint as usual. As you can see, my wife's still not back. I don't know if I'm worried or happy. Now I'm just gonna polish the car. Don't forget, the better the polish, the better it's gonna take the copper plating. So make sure before you do it is very shiny, very clean. Use soapy water, use acetone, use everything. Make sure it's otherwise you just don't get a coating really well. And I've been polishing it for a while now, and that just doesn't come off at all. It doesn't matter how much you go over it again and again and again, it's just not coming off, and it goes right through the body. So actually, the more that I'm polishing, the more that the stain is coming out. Very weird. I really don't know what it is. Now I'm just going over with a bit of wear wool, make it really shiny so we'll get the coating really well. Right, so now let's play with chemicals. So I've got a battery, which is a 9 volts battery. I think it was from a guitar pedal. It's an adapter, sorry, no battery, made in China. And I cut the cables off and I put on each one of them a piece of copper, like this one. And then I left in the solution, which is just water and baking powder, and shake it very well. I left both ends. I had another piece of copper, this one, attached to the other side, and I left it there for about half an hour, I think. Shaking now and then so the baking powder doesn't go out of the solution, doesn't precipitate to the bottom. And now, after leaving that for half an hour, the reason why it's blue is because it's got copper dissolved in it. And now all that copper is gonna go and gonna coat the car. Give it a good shake. There's some fumes coming up. Yeah, don't breathe them. They're not good. Some sort of copper fumes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna attach a piece of copper to the positive side and the car to the negative side. If you don't know which one is which, when you put both cables in the solution, the negative always bubbles. That's the one that you need to put your car, so it will get plated in copper. And I think I just put it like, I don't know, a couple of minutes maybe, just to start with. Make sure that it's bubbling and just leave it there. And this is just after a couple of minutes. As you can see, it starts to go pinky. There's another methods to do the solution. You can use root killer and you can use copper sulfate, acetate, whatever. But this is the cheapest and actually safest way to do it. So I'm gonna leave it for about 15 minutes, half an hour, and see how it goes. So I left it there for about half an hour, maybe less, about 20 minutes or something like that. And this is what it looks like now. There you go. Perfectly coated. Unfortunately, that's still there. And it's not coating. It's not copper plating. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just some different alloy, and the copper just doesn't stick to it. I have no idea. So if anybody knows, please let me know in your comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want. Just have fun. See, that's the difference between the copper one and just a normal one, basically. shiny, shiny, shiny. Apart from that. So I left the solution resting overnight, and this is what happened. All the baking soda or baking powder, whatever, is gone to the bottom, and the blue stuff is just the copper dissolved. And I'm saving it because I've got a project coming that I will show you and I will explain you better all this process. But for now, I'm saving this copper soup. I don't need that anymore. And she's back. So I'm just gonna clean now the interior and the screen. Give it a good clean with a bit of soapy water. Haha, look at the difference. Can't tell straight away. I'm so happy she's back. Just gonna give him a coat as well to the base. Put some masking tape on the wheels. Now I'm just giving it a bit of black. Then a clear coat. And it's done. And there it is. And I'm gonna show you something that I did a while ago. This is brass, and what I've done is called etching. And what it is the opposite. Instead of getting coated, it gets taken away and make like a relief, which it'll be part of the project that I was talking about before. But that's another story. There you go. I give it so clear coat. Make sure it's not gonna go green, because I got enough with the other side. I painted the grill and the headlights, because it's the only thing it was painting in the original, and I wanted to keep it as original as possible with that there. Supposed to post this video next week, but I got really excited with the results, and to be honest, I had it done. So there you go. Happy Christmas. Now just applying a bit of super glue and my good friend the baking powder, because I got the feeling that I'm gonna do this car later on and just paint it and get rid of that corrosion there or whatever it is, because it's doing my head in. And there you go. I'm really, really happy with it. I think it looks fantastic with the copper. It's a shame about the other side, but not I can do. The car actually is beautiful. Jaguar. You can't go wrong with that. Ugh. Absolutely hate that. But what can I do? There you go. All shiny, shiny. Also painted the engine chrome. It's got really, really good detail. Right, so I'm gonna leave you now with some pictures. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, but definitely comment. I want to hear your comments on these videos and see what you think, see if you're having fun, because this is what it's all about. Until then, see you next week.